Action!
So why do we use UV light to disinfect? Hi, I'm Dr. Holger Claus, and in this episode of 2 minutes and 22 seconds with me, Dr. Holger, I show you the benefits of using far UVC light to reduce germs and potentially using fewer chemical products. You likely use chemical disinfectants like this one, but there are some problems when it comes to using these products. Many store-bought disinfectants have harsh chemicals that can be bad for the environment and harmful to your health. Acetic acid, calcium hypochlorite, chlorine dioxide. These are just a few common ingredients found in chemical disinfectants. And according to the CDC, they are bad for your health and some are flammable, so you want to use them sparingly. If you read the small print, most products tell you to leave the solution on for several minutes before wiping off in order to be as effective as they claim. And of course, they only work while you are actually using them, and who wants to be cleaning all the time? UVC light, on the other hand, is a chemical-free and environmentally friendly option. But of course, traditional UVC light only works when the technology is on and people are not present. During the time when it is not on, germs can regrow and hide. However, with a filtered for UVC light, people can be present while the technology is working. And it's constantly working to directly attack viruses and germs, reducing their spread. It's just there and it's doing its job. And unlike chemicals, filtered for UVC can kill germs in the air at the same time as it sanitizes surfaces. It's more convenient too. Instead of wiping down everything several times a day, far UVC is always at work, adding an extra layer of protection against those rapidly spreading germs. You can feel more comfortable knowing your environment is constantly being sanitized even while you're not doing the work. There you have it. Filtered for UVC light is a safe, more effective and more efficient way to keep an area sanitized, allowing you to use these less frequently. If you have any questions about far UVC light, leave your comments below and I will try to answer them in future episodes. Until next time, stay safe and clean.